A. A for apple. Apple means a shape. These are apples. B. B for ball. Ball means gained. These are balls. C. C for cake. Cake means cake. D. D for doll. Doll means gudiya. E. E for elephant. Elephant means a hathi. These are elephants. F. F for frog. Frog means mendak. G. G for goat. Goat means bakari. H. H for house. House means ghar. I. I for ice cream. Ice cream means kulfi. This baby is eating an ice cream. J. J for joker. Joker means joker. K. K for kite. Kite means patang. This baby is flying a kite. L. L for lollipop. Lollipop means lollipop. M. M for mobile phone. Mobile phone. N. N for nose. Nose means naak. O. O for orange. Orange means santara. P. P for pineapple. Pineapple means ananas. Q. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. R. R for rose. Rose means gulab ka phool. S. S for ship. Ship means jahaj. T. T for tiger. Tiger means bag. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chata. V. V for violin. Violin means violin. W. W for watch. Watch means ghadi. X. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Yak means a pahadi sand. Last Z. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. These are zebras. Thank you guys. Keep learning, keep growing. Please subscribe.